Welcome back to my channel. My name is Marion. If you're new here or aren't already subscribed, please take a little quick second and make sure you're hitting that subscribe button as well as turning your post notifications on. So every time I upload a new video, you can get a little notification and stop on by and see it. As you can tell by the title of today's video, I have another purse unboxing for you. This bag was one of the hottest bags of, I would say, like the last year or so. And I'm so happy I finally got my hands on it. And I am talking about the Prada re-edition nylon 2005 tote. So if you want to see me unbox it, see the color I got, all of that good stuff, just keep watching. Channel. Today's unboxing was actually filmed about 2 months ago in the end of June, and we are now in September. So some of the topics during the unboxing may seem a little outdated now that it's been a while, but I actually thought I had lost all the footage for this Prada unboxing, but I was able to find and salvage most of it and put together an unboxing and what's in my purse for you guys. And yeah, let's hop right back into this throwback unboxing. If you are not new to my channel, last year, about a year ago, I did a Prada and Goyard unboxing here on my channel, and I spoke about how I wanted this particular color bag, but it was sold out at the time. So I kind of just put it in the back of my mind. I was like, you know what? I don't need it. I don't want it. And then recently I was like, you know what? I actually do want it. I've been into like really the crossbody bags at the moment. I don't know if it's because I'm expecting, so I just like the crossbody. I feel like it gives me a little bit of coverage. I don't know, but I'm just super into crossbody bags. So when I saw that this bag was when I saw that this bag was at my Prada store, I was like, I absolutely need to pick it up. So this is how this particular bag came packaged. If you have watched my other Prada unboxings, I believe I have 2 up on my channel. At this point, I will link them somewhere on the screen. But this is a different box than previous boxes. But I do always love how Prada boxes are, how they pay attention to detail. So yeah. Actually haven't opened this bag since I purchased it. I did purchase it at the Short Hills Mall Prada here in New Jersey. Super easy shopping experience. I had an appointment, but I was running late for my appointment, so I just ended up showing up. There was no line. I was attended to super quickly, and I did go to Short Hills on a Sunday, so if you are familiar with Short Hills Mall, it is one of the only malls, one of the only good malls, I guess, well, the only good mall open in New Jersey on Sundays because of our blue laws. So usually Short Hills is super crowded on Sundays, and especially with COVID and the new, like, you know, stand online and wait and have an appointment, it's like always really crazy. So I was super excited that I was in and out in probably, I didn't wait online, so I was literally in and out. So the bag that I picked up is the 2005 nylon re-edition bag, and I did get it in the color Desert Beige. Marley, no. It's been so long since Marley has disrupted one of my videos. I thought she was over this stage in her life. It is literally like the rainiest summer ever in New York and New Jersey, and it's really just, there's never a day with good lighting anymore. There just isn't. Like I mentioned, if you had seen my Prada 2000 re-edition unboxing of my black bag. I mentioned that I really wanted that bag in the desert beige color. It was sold out at the time. I don't have any solid beige bags. Most of my beige are either a monogram print or just not solid. So I definitely wanted a solid beige bag for, I'm into nudes right now. I've always thought this was a really cute color. So like I said, when I was at my mall, I had seen it. They had it in stock. They had it. I was like, I want it. I need it. So super cute. And as always, Prada pays a lot of attention to detail. So your extra strap actually comes in another dust bag, and I will show you what that strap is for. A lot of people compare this bag to the Louis Vuitton multi-pochette, and I will say, as far as packaging goes, Prada went the extra mile to package the bag. So that, in that little dust bag was the extra, this little strap, this little chain strap. And what I do love about this bag, the same way that I love about the multi-pochette, is that there is more than one way to wear it. And I just think that's super cool, because if you're going on a last minute vacation and you can't really bring that much stuff with you, these are bags that you can get more than one look out of. So you definitely can wear it like this over the shoulder and take off the crossbody strap, or you can wear it crossbody across your body. You could take this strap off for the crossbody. You could leave it on. So there is more than one way to wear this bag for sure. There's a lot going on today. Like, there's noises outside. It's a lot going on. My lighting is not looking good. And this is a little side note. This has nothing to do with this unboxing, but the reason I have been slacking in content is because most of the days I wake up extremely sick, or I have morning sickness. Even though it's called morning sickness, I have it all day. So it's like a super struggle to even get together, get everything ready, sit down and film. And then it's like when I do, every other possible disturbance happens. So welcome to my life. But back to this unboxing. Inside the bag, there is no zipper pocket, just like the 2000 tote, which I don't love, because who doesn't want a little zippered pocket inside of their bag, just for, you know, the things that you don't want to get tossed all around your bag. But unfortunately, there is no zipper pocket inside of here. I feel like I could live with it. I could deal with it, but I would have loved an inside pocket. So I am currently using my bum bag as my everyday purse, and I'm just getting a little tired of it. I want something a little more crossbody. So I am going to show you what fits inside of the nylon 2005 re-edition tote by basically seeing if I can transfer everything that I have in my bum bag into the new bag. And one thing that I will say about the bum bag is, I've said this in my unboxing, this is probably one of the spacious bags, one of the most spacious bags that I own. The look is very deceiving. You don't think you can get a lot in it, and it actually holds so much. So that's why this is like one of my all-time favorites, because it literally holds so much. I feel like it holds as much as like a Speedy. I don't know how that's possible, but it's very, very possible. The first thing I'm going to put in is my YSL card case. I don't unbox everything that I purchase on my channel. I don't know, I don't. But this was actually one of my favorite pickups of the year because of the color of it. I don't know if you can see. It's like a turquoise aqua, like it's just a really pretty color. So that's why I picked this up. So that fits in there. Most importantly, if you're not new to my channel, my EpiPen has to fit in every single purse that I purchase, because if not, I would just be dead. I have hand sanitizer, my Angel to Go perfume, a pen, insurance cards, some coupons for Pink and Victoria's Secret. I was actually super excited recently. I love MAC's Boy Bait. I love MAC's Boy Bait. And it had been out of stock for so long at like every mall in my area. And I was super excited that I found like 5 of them. So that goes in there. My little Vaseline, a hair tie. I will tell you though, this is filling up way quicker than my bum bag is. Like, in the back zipper of my bum bag, I just have a whole bunch of just miscellaneous things. Eyebrow brush. I actually need a refill soon. A little key. Oh, another eyebrow brush. Very important. I'm saying eyebrow brush, eyelash brush. Very important to brush your extensions, ladies. I had another card holder. And then just some cash, a dental pick, and yeah. So basically, and of course I have to throw a mask in here. More or less everything did fit in here that was in my bum bag. It is a little bit tighter. I definitely can still fit my phone in here. And if I were to wear it as a shoulder bag or a crossbody, I still have a ton of room in it. One of the main reasons why I did want to purchase this particular style is I do love that it comes with 2 options, like I said. So if you're traveling or if you just are on a budget, bags that you can get more than one wear, more than one look out of, I think are great for girls on a budget, because you ultimately get more than one look out of one bag and paying one price. So I feel like this bag was super reasonably priced. It was $13.90, I believe. You do have to remember that the bag itself is not leather. They do have a leather version. I don't particularly like it. I just think this version is super cute, super easy to go. As I mentioned earlier in the video, I was able to find most of the footage for this unboxing, but not all of it. So it does end a little bit abruptly, as you just saw during the what's in my purse. But I hope you guys enjoyed what I was able to put together for you guys. If you did, please make sure you're hitting that thumbs up button right down below, as well as subscribing to my channel. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video.